Let f of t be the weight in grams of a solid sitting in a beaker of water as shown below. Suppose that the solid dissolves in such a way that the rate of change in grams per minute of the weight of the solid at any time t can be determined from the weight using the formula f prime of t equals -5 times f of t times the sum of 1 and f of t. If there are 6 grams of the solid at time t equals 2, which means 2 minutes, estimate the amount of solid 1 second later. We need to be careful here because notice how we're making an estimate of the amount of solid 1 second later when the rate of change formula will give us the rate of change in grams per minute. To begin, we know there are 6 grams of the solid at time t equals 2, which means 2 minutes. So we know that f of 2 is equal to 6. This also indicates if we had the graph of the weight function, the point 2 comma 6 would be a point on the graph. The derivative function value f of 2 will give us the instantaneous rate of change of the weight with respect to time, or in grams per minute. If we convert this to a rate of change in grams per second, we can then estimate the amount of solid 1 second later, or 1 second after 2 minutes. For the next step, we'll determine f prime of 2, which again is the slope of the tangent line at t equals 2 minutes. This is equal to -5 times f of 2 times the sum of 1 and f of 2. And we know from the given information f of 2 is equal to 6, which gives us f prime of 2 equals -5 times 6 times 1 plus 6, which is equal to -210. And now let's go ahead and write this as a fraction with the denominator of 1, and we'll include the units on the rate. We would have -210 grams per 1 minute. But because we're trying to estimate the amount of the solid 1 second later, let's write this rate in grams per second by changing 1 minute to 60 seconds, which means the rate is equivalent to -210 grams per 60 seconds. -210 divided by 60 equals -3.5, giving us -3.5 grams per 1 second. So now we know at the time of 2 minutes, the weight is decreasing by 3.5 grams per second. So if there are 6 grams at 2 minutes, 1 second later there's going to be 3.5 less grams. 6 minus 3.5 equals 2.5. The estimate is there will be 2.5 grams of the solid left 1 second later at the time of 2 minutes. To complete our statement, the estimated amount of solid left 1 second later is, again, 2.5 grams. I hope you found this helpful.